292 page 8.3. Write bond line formulas for isopropyl alcohol 2,3-dimethyl-butanol and heptane 4,1. So isopropyl alcohol means first one isopropyl alcohol. So it is the isopropyl alcohol. So bond line structure. Next one, second one, 2,3-dimethyl-butanol. Butanol means 4 carbons. Here see 1, 2, 3, 4 numbering. Next, second place and the third place contains dimethyl. So the first place contains whole. So butanol. So first place contains butanol, 2,3-dimethyl-butanol. Butanol means aldehyde. It has aldehydes. Aldehyde means COH. Now we can write the formula. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has ketone and hydrogen. So next one, second place, third place contains 2,3-dimethyl. So 2,3-dimethyl-butanol. Next one, heptane 4-one. One means ketone. Hept means 7 carbons. Here see, first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon, sixth carbon, seventh carbon. So 7 carbons. Here fourth place contains ketone. Ketone means double bond O. Here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth place contains double bond. So it is the bond line structure for isopropyl alcohol 2,3-dimethyl-butanol. Butanol means aldehyde. Next one, heptane 4-one. So thank you. Subscribe. Please comment.